Across Fresno County, education makes an impact. Learning inspires students, dedicated teachers ensure success, and these stories strengthen our communities. Watch Education Matters, Mondays at 6:30 on KSEE 24. Local news that matters. Brought to you by EECU, Chevron, and Fresno Pacific University.
It's located right off Highway 180 and Kings Canyon Road in Sanger, the Sunflower Farm Stand. It's the kind of learning experience the Office of the Fresno County Superintendent of Schools is encouraging during the summer months.
We want to make sure that our kids feel that they can still stay engaged and have fun while learning over the summer.
It's a great place for the entire family to visit and learn.
They can come down and learn about sunflowers and how long it takes them to grow and the different type of pests that you want to try to avoid.
If you're looking for another cool experience that will excite the young ones, a trip to the San Joaquin Fish Hatchery, located in Friant along the San Joaquin River, is a great experience. Here they raise trout and inland salmon.
At the moment you can see rainbow steelhead trout, Oncoricus micus, and we also have some brown trout in the very last raceway.
Inside the hatchery, students get to see the life cycle of rainbow trout, from eggs to little fry. When they're big enough, they're placed in the larger raceways.
When they're about this long and about half a pound, we will transplant them to the rivers and the lakes that are not going into the ocean.
There are all kinds of learning opportunities for students. In the fall, teachers receive training for classroom projects. But during the summer, students can visit the hatchery and feed the fish, which can be its own adventure. The Superintendent of Schools has posted a variety of summer learning opportunities on his Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube pages. For Education Matters, I'm Juanita Stevenson, KSEE 24, local news that matters.